Hello, I'm Quinn Kellis, Superintendent of the Dysart Unified School District, and this is another Super in 60 Seconds. One of the primary things that we do as a local school district is work towards training our future workforce. We do that in part through our career and technical education programs, and I am here with Mr. Jim Griesaber to learn more.
Thank you, Dr. Kellis. One of the primary focuses in our CTE programs is to work with local business partners to provide students with opportunities for workplace learning and internships. For example, we partner with the City of Surprise, Surprise Regional Chamber of Commerce, Surprise Rotary, Sun Health, and Banner Health to provide large number of internships to our students. In return, students gain hands-on experience, earn high school credit, and work towards industry-recognized credentials.
Thank you so much. Sounds like a win-win for our students and our community. This has been another Super in 60 Seconds. We'll see you next week.